Good morning. Alright, so interesting overnight session. We had some news from Nvidia, some news from China, and market was trading down here, ripped all the way to the previous week's high, broke these two highs, and then pulled back all the way to retest that break, and then again back above the previous week's high. So we're breaking above this range right now. The question is, can we hold it, right? Or do we come back into value? So as of now, we're opening in a gap outside of yesterday's range with inventory maybe, I don't know, 90% long. If we have some inventory correction, we'll look to fill the RTH gap to 63.15 and then see if we can get inside value from yesterday and then sweep to value area low. If we are not able to, and if we hold this, you can see all this volume that came in here after that break. If we hold this distribution, we can find some buyers around here at the 63.25 area. That will be a good long, in my opinion, from that area, and then see if we can take this bullish imbalances from 1, 2, 3, these 3 sessions. So these 2 RTH sessions and this overnight session, we have these 3 bullish imbalances at 63.50, 55, and 60. So those are the upper targets in the case that we keep moving higher. Now, if we pull back, we fill the gap, you can see probably longs are going to defend that at the gap fill, and if not, then look for a move back into value, like I said before. And then the scenarios to the downside are similar as the last few days, where we have some support here at 62.62, which has been tested several times already. So that's holding. So the next area above to watch is this area right here, this low volume area, 62.84 to 86. You can see that we have this 2 spikes and buying tails and low volume. So this is an area where we probably should see some buyers come in. If not, we have these 3 lows back to back that we can take and then get back to this point of control at 62.70. But for now, bulls still in control. You can you can see that we're still holding above the previous week's high. NQ, remember yesterday in my video I mentioned this 23.86 as the target, and we got there. Now we're holding right above it. The next bullish target from this session is at 23.335. That's my target to the upside. And if we get back below the previous week's high, I would look for a look above and fail setup and see if we can come down all the way to the low side of the range. Crude. Again, yesterday was another attempt above the 200, fail, dropped like a rock, and again at this low volume area bounced. Now we're back at the 20-day point of control. So now we are back in balance, back in value. So this is the new range. We're probably gonna jump between this high volume node and this one up here, the 6840, until we have a nice profile and accepting in this area. Gold, nothing to see here. Still holding here. It still didn't get to the 45, so maybe today we'll get there. We have a lot of news for the next couple of days, a lot of earnings and speeches. Then tomorrow we have PPI, the next day jobless claims, excuse me, and Michigan on Friday. So busy week. Let's see what happens if we keep grinding higher or if we come back to value. All right, good luck, and I'll see you around.